Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. What we're showing you today, this is the Axon EZ100H model. It is a horizontal neck bander sealer. Starts off here with a large hopper. And you'll see there's a feed star in there. See the rotating shaft there. Depositing containers onto here. The gravity roller conveyor. You see they do spin. Applicating one here. Very similar to the vertical machine, except obviously doing it horizontally. First thing you see, we have our shrink system right here, 2 Leister blowers into one small unit here. When the unit is stopped, automatically the shrink tunnel, and most of these do this, will raise up in the up position, so nothing gets burned or melted. All stainless steel construction, variable speed drive here on the conveyor. Everything's running on 220 single phase voltage. We'll look in here, this is the shrink system. It's carrying the VideoJet DataFlex printer. Dyco static eliminator in there. Of course, the Axon factory touch sensitive controls. Here's our control panel for the sleever, of course, with the Allen Bradley PLC. Control system for the, let's see if we get a good look at that, for the VideoJet. Of course, it requires air and electricity. Both these units are operating independently for the power, as far as the power source. We have lots of equipment in our stock for process and packaging, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.